Namaste all of you. Myself Yoga teacher Hari Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hari Sharma. So today we do the practice for the लेग स्ट्रेच. आज हम लेग स्ट्रेच और हैमस्ट्रिंग के ऊपर काम करेंगे. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट नाउ. फर्स्टली लाइंग डाउन विद योर बैक. इस प्रकार से आप कमर के साथ लेट लेंगे एंड फ्रॉम हियर फोल्ड योर बोथ लेग्स. आपके दोनों लेग्स शुड बी क्लोजर नियर द हिप एंड बोथ हैंड साइड ऑफ योर बॉडी. इस प्रकार से दोनों हाथ आपकी साइड में रहेंगे. देन आफ्टर कीप चार्ज योर टेलबोन or you can do the pelvic movement. You can see me for a few seconds more. Deeply inhale and exhalation and keep charging your tailbone and warm up your spine and for increasing flexibility of your spine and less injury or little warm up seconds. For a few seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then after keep straight your both legs. Both legs should be straight. From here, now this time fold your right leg, make a finger lock and hold your knee with your both hands and stretch towards the chest here. And stay for a second more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time you can drop your knee on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time again counter pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 for the warm up of your gluteus muscles and also hip stretch. Now this time again switch your left leg, make a finger lock and pull inside on your chest and feel stretch. 1, 2, inhale, exhale, breathing continuous. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good, come back. Inhale. Now this time drop your right side here. आपके इस प्रकार से आपकी थाई को इधर आपके राइट साइड में गिराना है. लेफ्ट साइड में राइट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट एंड स्टे फॉर द सेकंड मोर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time rotate your hip region, leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this time again counter pose. 1 for movement of your gluteus muscles and hip stretch. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Now this time keep it. Inhale, right leg up. Make sure your right leg should be straight. If you are not able to hold here, you can take the support with your both hands straight. If you are not hold here, you can hold here. If you have more flexibility, you can hold your big toe. If you can more super flexibility, you can hold here. If you are not able to hold here legs, you can take support with the strips here. You can use towel and dupatta and stay for feel stretch your hamstring and the gluteus muscles working Here stay for a second more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Now this time again switch your left leg. Left leg should be straight. You can take support here. You can hold here. You can hold your big toe and you can hold here. But make sure your thigh should be, your leg should be straight. Feel stretch on your inner thigh, your gluteus muscles and your hamstring flexibility, and stay for 3 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Now this time again. Now this time do maximum. Here you can hold your leg here. Right leg should be straight. Do maximum. आपकी neck को उठाना नहीं है. Neck should be here. Do maximum and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Now this time again switch your left leg and do maximum. Right leg should be straight. You can flex your feet. You can pointing toes and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Now this time again switch your right legs. Again hold your right leg back toe and now this time drop your right leg right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Now this time again switch your left leg, hold your big toe and drop your left leg left side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. This is the sequence for the hamstring flexibility. So I hope you can understand easily and you can do it. So please do work on your hamstring and your gluteus muscles, and you can stretch your legs completely. And this is the sequence for the beginners. So I hope you can understand easily, and I requested all of you, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe my channel and also share and comment. So I hope you all are doing practice regularly and wait for my next video.